Hello everyone. So let us go for the next theorem on subspace. Here let y comma tau y be a subspace of a topological space x comma tau and A is the subset of y. Then we need to prove the following four results. A point y in capital Y is a tau y point of capital A if and only if y is a tau limit point of A. So whenever you derive limit point result, we can derive the derived set result also. So derived set of A with respect to y is equal to y intersection derived set of A with respect to x. And the second results, closure of A with respect to y is equal to y intersection closure of A with respect to x. Next, the third result, interior of A with respect to y is the superset of y intersection interior of A with respect to x. And the fourth result, frontier of A with respect to y is the subset of y intersection frontier of A with respect to x. So let us go for the proof. The first condition, a point y in y is a tau y limit point of A with if and only if y is a tau limit point of A. So here if and only if condition is there, we have two parts to prove. So let us go for the first part. Let us consider y be any element in capital Y and A is the subset of y. So let us consider y be a tau y limit point of A. We need to prove that y is a tau limit point of A also. That means with respect to x. So let us consider one open set G which is open in X containing the point y. Since y is a limit point of tau y and again A is the subset of y, then A is the subset of X itself. Since y is the subset of X, this element y belongs to capital X also. Therefore, we can conclude that this X containing y. Again, G is also containing y and y is also containing the element y. Therefore, y intersection G is an open set in capital Y containing y. Since y is a tau y limit point of A, which is hypothesis, therefore by the definition of limit point, y intersection G minus the singleton set y intersection A is not equal to empty, which implies here y intersection G gives G itself because A is the subset of y minus singleton set y intersection A is not equal to empty. Therefore, we can conclude that G is an open set in capital X. G is an open set in capital X. Therefore, for every open set G in capital X containing y is a tau limit point of A. Here this is with respect to X. Next we will go for the contradictory part. Let us consider y be an tau limit point of A. For this, to prove y is a tau y limit point of A also, let S be an open set in Y containing Y. We are taking one open set in capital Y. It is containing Y. Then by the definition of subspace, Y S is equal to Y intersection G for some open set G in X, because here we are taking this S which belongs to capital Y itself. Since Y belongs to S, Y belongs to G also. Yake? Because Y intersection G containing S implies if S having one element Y, then Y should belongs to this element Y belongs to capital Y as well as G. Therefore, we can conclude that y belongs to G itself. Again, y is a tau limit point of A. Therefore, G minus singleton set y intersection A is not equal to empty, which implies y intersection G minus Singleton set y intersection A is not equal to empty, which implies here y intersection G is the value of S. So S minus Singleton set y intersection A is not equal to empty, which is for every open set S in capital Y containing small y, which implies y is a tau y limit point of A. Hence, we prove the theorem. For proving the derived set property, let us consider one element x belongs to y intersection derived set of A with respect to x. Then x belongs to y and x belongs to derived set of A with respect to x also, because intersection is there, which implies x belongs to y and x is the limit point of A itself, which implies x is a tau y limit point of A, because we have proved the property if any element y belongs to tau limit point, y is a tau limit point of A, then y is a tau y limit point of A also, right, in the first part. So from that we can conclude that x is a tau y limit point of A itself. So x is a limit point implies x belongs to derived set also. So we can conclude that x belongs to y intersection derived set of A with respect to x implies x belongs to derived set of A with respect to y. Therefore, y intersection derived set of A with respect to x is the subset of derived set of y with respect to A. Again, we go for the next part. Let y belongs to derived set of A with respect to y implies y is a tau y limit point of A. Again, y belongs to y and y is a tau limit point of A itself. This is by the first part of the theorem, which implies y belongs to capital Y intersection derived set of A with respect to here x, because tau limit point of A is given. So, derived set of A with respect to y is the subset of y intersection derived set of A with respect to x. This is by this condition. So, both conditions are proved. From equation 1 and equation 2, we can conclude that derived set of A with respect to y is equal to y intersection derived set of A with respect to x. Okay, let us go to the next second result, which is for closure property. As you know, we have A bar is equal to A union derived set of A. We are going with respect to y. So closure of A with respect to y is equal to A union derived set of A with respect to y. So A union derived set of A with respect to y can be written as y intersection derived set of A with respect to x. This is the first result. So A union y intersection A union derived set of A with respect to x. A union y will be equal to y itself, because A is the subset of y. So y intersection A union derived set of A with respect to x. Since A union derived set of A with respect to x is equal to A bar, so y intersection closure of A with respect to x. This is the second condition, simple one. Next, let us go to the next result, which is for interior property. Let us consider one element y which belongs to y intersection interior of A with respect to x. Then y belongs to capital Y and y belongs to interior of A with respect to x itself, which implies y belongs to y and y belongs to, here we are applying the definition of interior point, so which is union of open sets, right? So union of, we are taking G be any open set in X, which implies y belongs to y and y belongs to any one G itself for some open set G in X contained in A. Therefore, y belongs to y intersection G. Y belongs to Y as well as Y belongs to G, and again Y intersection G is the subset of A, and Y intersection G is open in Y itself. Therefore, Y belongs to interior of A with respect to Y. Therefore, Y intersection interior of A is the subset of interior of A with respect to Y, because we have taken Y belongs to Y intersection interior of A with respect to X. This implies Y belongs to interior of A with respect to Y. Therefore, we conclude the result. Last property is for frontier. So we are taking frontier of A with respect to Y. By the definition of frontier, frontier of A is equal to A bar intersection complement of A with closure, right? So A bar with respect to Y can be written as Y intersection A bar intersection closure of Y minus A can be written as Y intersection closure of Y minus A. So this will be with respect to X, because here we are writing Y intersection. So Y intersection A bar intersection Y intersection closure of Y minus A can be written as Y intersection A bar here with respect to Y can be written as with respect to X. So we have proved this in the second part. So in the place of closure of A, we can write Y intersection closure of A. Here with respect to X we can write. So Y common is there, intersection is common, and closure of A with respect to Y can be written as closure of A with respect to X. So here also you can write with respect to X itself. Okay, please note this, which will be the subset of Y intersection closure of A intersection X minus A closure with respect to X. So this is the definition of frontier of A here with respect to X. Like this we can prove all the four results. And last we have one problem. Let X, Y, Z be three topological spaces. If Z is a subspace of Y and Y is a subspace of X, then we need to show that Z is the subspace of X itself. Very simple example. Let Z, tau 3 be a subspace of a topological space Y, tau Y. That is, Z is the subspace of Y. Okay, Z is the subspace of Y. And let Y, tau 2 be a subspace of a topological space X, tau 1. Here they had given Y is a subspace of X. Then by definition we can write tau 3 can be written as Z intersection G. Here G belongs to tau 2, and tau 2 can be written as Y intersection H, where H belongs to tau 1. This is by the definition of subspace. Here G and H both are open sets. We need to prove Z, tau 3 is a subspace of X, tau 1. That is to prove tau 3 is equal to Z intersection. Let us take K, which is one open set. This K belongs to tau 1. Let tau Z be a induced topology on Z derived by Z implies. So induced by a topology tau 1 on X, then Z, tau Z is a subspace of X, tau 1. And tau Z will be equal to Z intersection G, where G belongs to tau 1. G is an open set in tau 1 that we have taken also. Okay, we have to prove tau 3 is equal to tau Z. Let us consider one open set G belongs to tau 3, then G equal to Z intersection H for some H belongs to tau 2. Because Z, tau 3 is a subspace of Y, tau 2. This is hypothesis. Therefore, G can be written as Z intersection Y intersection V for some open set V belongs to tau 1. Therefore, Y, tau 2 is a subspace of X, tau 1, which implies G equal to Z intersection Y intersection V. By using associative property, we can write Z intersection Y as one term intersection V. So Z intersection Y gives Z itself because Z is the subset of Y, which is hypothesis. So Z intersection V. So, but Z intersection V belongs to tau Z. Therefore, tau 3 is a subset of tau Z. Now let us prove the converse part. Again consider G be any open set which belongs to tau Z. Then G is equal to Z intersection V for some V belongs to tau 1. So Z intersection V, Z intersection Y intersection V. Here Z can be written as Z intersection Y itself because Z is the subset of Y. Therefore Z intersection, by using associative property, Y intersection V as one term. So Z intersection H, where this H is equal to Y intersection V. This belongs to tau 2. But Z intersection H, H is one open set, implies which belongs to tau 3, Z, which refers to tau 3, because Z comma tau 3 is a subspace of Y comma tau 2. Therefore, tau Z is the subset of tau 3. From equation 1 and 2, we can conclude that tau Z is equal to tau 3. Therefore, Z comma tau 3 is a subspace of X comma tau 1, which is also very easy example.